In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Systeme IO 2026. Let's get started right from the main workspace. Open your browser and head to the Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile menu. This is where account-wide preferences live. Click that profile menu to open it and then choose settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage how your account behaves and appears. Inside settings, focus on the left-hand side panel. You'll see several categories there. Click on account. This section contains your personal and account level preferences, including the date format we want to change. On the account page, look for the date format option. It's typically presented with a label and a drop-down field right next to it. Click the drop-down to reveal the available formats. You'll usually see familiar options like month day / year, day month year, or year month day. Pick the one that best matches your region, your team's conventions, or how you prefer to read dates. For example, if you collaborate internationally, the year month day layout is often the clearest. If you're in a region that commonly uses day / month / year, choose that to keep everything consistent. After selecting your preferred format, make sure to save your change. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. This step applies your choice across your account, so dates throughout your dashboards, pages, and reports will display in the new format. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been saved. That confirmation is your cue that everything is set. A couple of quick tips for clarity. Date format affects how dates are displayed, not your time zone or time of day settings. If you work with invoices, reports, or collaborative documents, pick a format that avoids confusion for your audience. Consistency helps reduce errors when reviewing campaign schedules, publishing dates, and transaction records. Also, if you manage multiple workspaces, set the format in each workspace where you want it applied. And that's it. To recap the flow in plain terms, open the dashboard, use the profile menu in the top right to access settings, go to the account section in the left panel, choose your date format from the drop-down, and click Save. Once you see the confirmation, your new format is active. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick walkthrough helps you keep your dates clean and consistent.